Good morning, children. When computer programming, it has to follow few steps. So we have discussed the part analyzing. First one is finish. First part analyzing. So now we are moved to the second part designing. Today you all have to listen how to design the program. Okay. This is what we are going under flowcharts designing, right? So once you find out the problem, have to design this. First of all, you have to find the problem, or else before start actual programming, you have to clearly get the picture of what the problem is and what to do with the programming. So we call it as designing. That means we are presenting the whatever the finding software analysis it graphically manner. So that is called designing, right? So when computer software development, after analyzing, they will dissolve your program. So when you are going to design this, when you are going to design this some programs, there are some techniques, right? Techniques that we are using for designing. Okay. This is one. What is this? Flow chart. There are a lot of techniques that they are using for designing purposes, right? There are so many techniques that they are using for design purposes. There is a flow chart, right? Can you see symbols and usages are here, right? Flow chart mean a flow chart is a graphical representation of the algorithmic steps, right? There is a flow chart. So flow chart is a graphical representing of algorithmic steps. There are some steps you have to learn. So you might think, what is the algorithm? So you have learned this many times even when you are in grade 6 and 7 classes, right? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure. Algorithm is step-by-step procedure or order of the procedure. There is a order of the procedure. Flowchart is a order of the procedure that we put all the instructions together. Or we have to put all the instructions together. Already one after the other. So you know what to do first and what to do next likewise. You can understand. So you know what to do the first one and what to do the next likewise. Okay. So algorithm is that it's a set of instruction. You are taking set of instruction together. That the instruction are taking together into a order, right? Instruction, the set of instruction you are taking set of instruction together into a order or into a sequence, right? You all know those words: sequence, flow chart. You have already learned in grade 7 class, right? Okay. It's like that. First step, second step, like that. Okay. Flow chart mean graphically represent. They are showing something, graphically showing, right? You have written so many algorithms in grade 6 and 7. Okay, now algorithm is, we are taking for algorithms flowcharts, right? See, there are so many symbols. There are a lot of symbols that we have to use when we are drawing flowchart. Okay, there are so many symbols. There are a lot of symbols that you have to use when you are drawing flowcharts. So I hope you know about that. Hmm? Yes, you have to make refresh your knowledge, right? There are so many symbols. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, right. To this symbol represent start and end, right? This symbol is represent start and end. There is a rhombus. It indicates showing input and output. Showing input and output. Whenever you want to display input and output, you have to use this symbol, right?